have the super exciting POCO F6. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 1220 x 2712 pixels resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. Powered by Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with up to 512GB storage and 12GB RAM.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super exciting. This brand new POCO F6. We have been eagerly awaiting for this and it's finally here. Anong nasa laman ng magic na kahon? Ito pala yung price niya guys, 17,599. So naka-promotional price pa sa Shopee. Yan, post natin yung link sa description para kung gusto nyo umorder. Mukhang legit naman yung seller kasi hindi naman bato yung pinadala nila. Yan, pang cellphone naman yung nasa loob. Yan, naka-bubble wrap pa. POCO F6. Meron siyang SIM ejector dito, included in the box. SIM ejector and manuals, lots of manuals inside. Yan, iba-ibang language yan. So, meron pa included in the box, meron na jelly case. Oh wow, meron ka na included na jelly case agad. No need na bumili, pero kung gusto mo bumili ng mas maganda, it's your choice. Pero it's a welcome addition na talagang meron na siyang included na. So check natin kung ano pa yung nasa loob. This is the phone. Meron din pala siyang kasamang charger na 90 watts fast charger, designed by Xiaomi. POCO pala is designed by Xiaomi. Fast charger na guys. So, tapos ito, USB Type-C. Very sturdy yung charging cable niya. Makapal talaga, halatang maganda yung build quality. Pero good thing it's a 90 watts fast charger na. Tapos, tignan natin yung phone itself. This is the phone. And here it is, the star of the show, the POCO F6. Yan, ito na siya na Xiaomi Hyper OS pala yung operating system nito. Xiaomi Hyper OS. The design is absolutely stunning. Can you feel it?
Drop that shit.
Functioning naman siya guys, so legit talaga yung seller, hindi siya bogus o scammer. Kasi functioning naman yung ating device. Set natin, skip. This POCO F6 features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate. Tapos HDR10+ na rin, meron din siyang Dolby Vision. Tapos mayroon siyang pinagmamalaking brightness na 2,400 nits. Tapos under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm SM8635 or yung Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. So yun yung mga flagship na CPU ngayon. Yan din I believe yung nasa processor or CPU ng mga phones na flagship like yung sa Galaxy S24 Ultra. Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 din yun. Pero sobrang layo ng price niya dito sa nabili nating POCO F6 na 17,599 lang. So, ito kasing Snapdragon 8S20 chipset is octa-core CPU. Tapos meron din siyang graphics processing unit o GPU na Adreno 735. So meron siyang 2 variants, itong 256GB storage na may 8GB na RAM, and then meron siyang 512GB of storage with 12GB of RAM. Tapos pareho silang gumagamit ng UFS 4.0 technology. So yung pag-copy ng mga files talaga mabilis kasi UFS 4.0 technology siya. The display is super vibrant, well, very good, very responsive, everything feels snappy thanks to that powerful processor. So check natin yung back. We have a dual camera setup. Meron siyang 50 megapixel, a wide camera with face detection autofocus or PDEF, and meron din siyang OIS or yung optical image stabilization. 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Tapos sa selfie naman niya, nandito yung selfie camera. Yan. Selfie camera, there's a 20 megapixel front camera. The camera is packed with features, so you can shoot 4K videos at 30 or 60 FPS and 1080p videos at up to 240 FPS. So may pwede siyang 30, 60, 120, 240. So 240 ay yung mga mga slow motion na video capture. Tapos meron siyang gyro electronic image stabilization. So meron siyang parang yung features ng mga gimbal. Meron stable na yung yung video shot. And then check natin yung iba pang features dito. Ang ganda ng screen kasi 120Hz siya, no? Yeah, very responsive. Let's power it on and see how it looks. While it boots up, let's talk about some of the key specs. On the back, we got a versatile cover setup. And the camera app is packed with features, so we will be doing a full camera test in our review video. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that. Ito palang POCO F6 is wala pa na siyang audio jack. Wala na siyang audio jack, hindi na uso yung audio jack ngayon. Pero meron naman siyang USB Type-C 2.0 na on the go. Tapos meron siyang Bluetooth 5.4 with GPS, Galileo GLONASS, QZSS, may NFC siya. Pero market or region dependent. Tapos may infrared. Yan, may infrared, pwede siyang gawing remote control pagka ganyan may infrared. Wala lang siyang mga FM radio. Pero meron siyang fingerprint sensor, under display, optical. Tapos may accelerometer, gyro. Yun nga, may compass, wave 12, proximity sensor. Tapos yung battery niya is 5,000 mAh na non-removable. Tapos 90 watts yung charger niya. Tapos PD3, 0. Tapos ayon sa ginawang test as advertised by POCO F6, yung kaya niya daw mag-charge ng from 2% to 100% in 35 minutes using the included 90 watts fast charger. Tapos ang color variant available is black, meron green, and titanium. Itong nabili natin is titanium. Price niya, yun nga, naka-promotional price na 17,599. Let's talk about the performance. Sa mga benchmark kasi, ang nakuha nito is sa Antutu benchmark, meron siyang 1,497,886. So katumbas talaga ng flagship phone yan, guys. Dahil ngayon sa Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Tapos Geekbench, meron siyang 4,883 points. Sa 3D Mark Wildlife, meron siyang 11,443 or aspect ratio 20:9. Hindi siya 16:9 na wide angle. Mas wide pa siya doon. 20:9 yung kanyang aspect ratio. First impressions, I'm really impressed with the build quality and design. The specs are top notch for the price, and I can't wait to dive deeper into what this phone can do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think about the POCO F6. Are you planning to get one? And what feature are you most excited about? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think about the POCO F6. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace to you all.